All right, so it's been a little while. It's time for another installment on this chicken coop build. So far we've got the whole pole barn chicken coop structure completely up and running. Now we got to get onto the roof. We got to get some doors in this thing. We got to get a floor in this and then some windows. So let's head out there and make it happen. All right, so we got the roof on. Everything's going as planned here. There's a few little minor imperfections that I notice on there that probably nobody else would notice, but we got the insulation inside there so we don't have condensation issues down the road. The roof is on and it's time to move on to the doors and the windows. All right, we got that roof on. It's about time we got some doors in this thing. right, so we're starting to make some progress here. We got the roof on, we got both doors in. We're gonna move on to the floor and the center wall. So it's getting late and I thought I'd film this little piece tonight. So in that last little clip, I had finally finished cutting up all the plywood here for the flooring, and I didn't like how it felt. It was strong. I've got 2x8s here every 16 inches, which you could go more, but you know, once again, it's a chicken coop. But so I came back, I took all the boards off, and I've been doing some blocking, as you can see throughout this thing. I've got straight blocking right through there because that was where the seam of some plywood was, and then the rest of it's just shored up. Now, after doing that, it felt a lot stronger and a lot tighter, but I still wasn't happy. So I came back and I pounded these 2x4 pressure treated in the ground and attached them to each 2x8 at about the halfway point. So we've got much more stability. Now, you might be thinking, just 2x4s, Mike? And, you know, there's a lot of things I could have done different here. But, you know, as I'm doing more and more and more, I have to constantly remind myself, this is a chicken coop, Mike. That's all it is, a chicken coop. And this sucker is strong now. So, I'm going to finish up a couple more blocks here, and we're going to throw this floor down and move on. Alright, so we got all the puzzle back together here, and I went through and I screwed everything down real strong, and this thing is solid and strong, and I feel much better about putting that strip of all that bracing right down through the center. Anyway, so we got the roof, we got the flooring, we got the doors. I know I told you I was going to get the windows in. I'm just not 100% sure yet where I want to put them. That's going to come next. So I hope you guys are enjoying watching this little series. If you are, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to follow along, hit the bell notification. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.